Everyone has the brain power to make money in stocks. Not everyone has the stomach. Well, I think the secret is if you have a lot of stocks, some will do mediocre, some will do okay, and if one of two of them go up big time, you produce a fabulous result. And I think that's the promise to some people. In the summer of 1990, I was buying stocks and I was probably 3 or 4 months early there. But we had a great rally in 1991. But my system for over 30 years has been this: when stocks are attractive, you buy them. Sure, they can go lower. I've bought stocks at $12 that went to $2, but then they later went to $30. Improved turnout will give Parliament and government the appearance of being more legitimate. It's human nature to keep doing something, as long as it's pleasurable and you can succeed at it, which is why the world population continues to double every 40 years. I've found that when the market's going down and you buy funds wisely, at some point in the future you will be happy. If you go to Minnesota in January, you should know that it's gonna be cold. You don't panic when the thermometer falls below zero. The real key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them. Suicide is a permanent solution to a temporary problem. Suicide is a choice, and I think if we work with that with kids, we'll get somewhere. If all the economists in the world were laid end to end, it wouldn't be a bad thing.